So last class, can you see my screen? So last class we discussed about what is RDS, how to install MySQL DB, and what are the some of major options, how to select and how to install Workbench, how to connect our DB. Just we created one table and all. So anyone any doubt? Yesterday class clear, guys? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And today we are going to see there is a storage, how that is object storage. There is different types available, and we'll see so storage types, how to create EBS and EFS and volumes and all we'll see. Now once you log into your AWS account, so if you go here, click on instances. If you go here, click on instances, and if you observe here, there is so storage, where is EBS, elastic block storage, EBS elastic block storage volumes. So there is one options available. There is that option instance, EBS elastic block storage, EBS. That is simply we are calling go to volume and attach that volume to existing NL. For example, first try to understand. This is my instance. So this is my instance, and so just check. This is our instance. Wait, it is working slowly. This is our instance. EC2 instance. This is EC2 instance. In real time, right? So every instance by default there is one root volume, right? Root volume. How much GB mostly we are selecting? Volume. We are selecting some storage, right? We are giving 8 GB. Now got it? 8 GB. So if you create any instance and all, if you go here, go to EC2 and let me check it. I am in Mumbai region and go to instances. So here I have one instance, right? Just let me start this instance. So while creating instance, there is one option volume, that is root volume. If you go down, see here configuration storage, configure storage. So by default, so see here root volume. So how much GB? Mostly I am selecting for practice purpose 8 GB, right? 8 GB. So free tier eligible customers can get up to 30 GB. If you want to, we can increase up to 30 GB. That is free account. There is no need to pay any extra amount, and no need to pay extra amount. We can increase up to 30 GB. And so there is a, if you want 30 GB of EBS general purpose. This is the elastic block storage. This is one service. So elastic block storage comes under the volume only. Under the volume only. Now here we can increase. Now default, if you go here, if you click on here, and so if you click on instance, so my instance is running, right? So it is running. If you click on instance, and if you go down, if you go down, if you go down, my instance is running. So if you go down here, somewhere we can see storage. If you go here, so now see here, there is a so drives here we can see there is a root device details, root device name slash dv xvda, and so root device type EBS, and we can see some information how many drives they attached and all here, how many drives they attached and all here we can check it. Now let me create one new instance, and how to create one EBS, that is nothing but volume only, extra volume I want to add. Now go to here, click on launch instance. I am using so EBS instance, EBS instance. Remaining storage same only. whatever you want. So we can select instance type micro treater LF key fair. I need Mumbai region. I am in Mumbai only, correct? So apart from this, this is the storage. So right now by default I am giving 8 GB only. This is the root value. So this is the root value. While creating instance, automatically it is attached this value to our instance. I hope everyone know. Just click on the launch instance. One instance is enough. Now, so in real time, right? So they are giving some storage. Suppose if you install many softwares, I installed many. I installed. So for example, MySQL installed, and also right. So there is Java. Whatever you want to install many softwares. After installation, maybe the space will increase, right? Space will increase. For example, you install Jenkins also. So in Jenkins we created many jobs. In Jenkins we created many jobs. For every job, right, how much space it will occupy in real time based on this, right. So based on this source code, it will occupy some space. Just assume for every time it will occupy, for example, 10 MB, 100 MB data, megabyte data. But real time maximum it is in GB only. If you create any job, so it is create any job based on that project, so it will occupy one project is occupy 1 GB, half GB, and maximum is so 5 GB data, source code itself 5 GB data. So now if we create many jobs, now every time it is occupying some space, right? Clear? అర్థమవుతుందా? So this is my in real time they are giving, for example, 200 GB or 250 GB. Okay, so this they are giving this they are giving size by default 250 GB. So daily I'm creating many jobs and I installed something and some other softwares, and all, and maybe obviously the space will increase, right? Correct. So now I don't have any space. I want to run. I want to run. I don't have any space. I want to run. I don't have any space. So how to increase this space, volume space, root value? Now see here, this is my instance. Just assume this is my instance. Now I created one instance, EBS. I don't want this one. Just stop it. Okay. Now this is my instance. Just now I created. Now what is the default volume, root volume size here? What is the root volume size? How I
8
know?
GB,
Go
8
to
GB.
storage. This is 8 GB. Okay. Now I am going to install some other softwares. I don't have space. I want to increase this volume space. I want to increase. How we can increase in real time? How many ways we can increase? Anyone guess it? So I want to increase, right? So this is 8 GB. Now 8 GB not enough for me. So I want to increase this volume space. So how to increase? If you want to increase, so there is a one option is volume. There is a one option volume. Okay. So here we are going to create one volume and create one volume. How much GB you want? For example, I need 10 GB or 1 GB. Anyone, that is only practice. But real time based on our anyway in real time we are going to create one ticket. Ticket means so the ticket it will go to some operation team. We are not going to create. If you are admin, we can okay. But actually in real time, first we need to create the one ticket. So we need to create one ticket for space increase. So for example, so I don't have space. I need to increase this much space. I want to install something. They are asking some information. Your laptop name, your phone number, who is your manager, which project, and so what's the purpose we need to increase the space. So we need to create a service now ticket based on your service now or anything whatever based on company. If they are using any tool, ticket tool, and so there we need to create first ticket. So that ticket it will goes to approval. Approval means your reporting manager, it will go to so reporting manager. Now it will go to your manager. Okay, your manager. And once these people they approved, now this ticket so once it approved, now that IT team, right, that operation team, that operation team network team operation team, they will assign to particular team members that suitable so team suitable team. Okay, so this is a process in real time. Directly they won't create value, they won't attach. So they are asking some justification. So who created which project, what is the purpose, how much space you want, and so that they are asking many info, they are asking some personal details and all. Once you fill that information, if it is raising so one ticket, that ticket it will go to first your reporting manager. Report means daily you are reporting to one manager, right? It will go to report manager. Once this guy approved, and it will go to second approval also, your manager, one or two guys. Once they approved, then only so now the ticket, and they are going to call, and they are ask what's the problem. They will call, or they will come to your desk if you are in office, or if you are work from, they will call. Already you given one phone number, right? They will call what's the what you want, and where they are asking some information. So this is the real time we are following some process. But anyway, here I am the admin, here I am the owner, I can do anything, right? So now no problem. Now this is my instance. Now see here, this is a go to storage, and go to here right now 8 GB volume. So now I want to increase my volume. I want for Jenkins purpose, I want to use a separate so drive path, or Docker purpose, or Kubernetes, anything whatever it may be. So I need extra space, I don't have any space. How to increase this volume space? So if you want to increase, first you need to go to, there is a volume. Under the volume we need to create one volume first. Initial we need to create one volume. So these are the some basic steps. First go to volume, first go to volume, first create the one volume, go to volume. Okay, so here so there is one option. If you go to left side, so see here, there is a elastic block storage, EBS. Under EBS we can see, you can see three options: volumes, snapshots, and lifecycle management, lifecycle manager, lifecycle manager. Now if we click on volume, if we click on volume, and so these are the default volumes. So these are the default volumes, see here. So the default volumes, see here, already 8 GB, 10 GB and all. But real time if you see here, these all are TB only, not GB. In real time, for practice purpose, we are using maximum 8 GB, 10 GB and all practice, right? But if you see in real time, these all are TB only, not GB. Got it? Only, so TB only, not so GB. Okay, now these are the so already existing volumes. Now I am going to create one volume. So how to create volume? Very simple, only steps and all very simple. There is see, create volume. If you give means, now it is asking volume settings. So volume type, this is the default general purpose only, SSD. And so this is the size. What is the size of volume? How many GBs? I am going to create one volume, right? So how much GB you want? You want 100 GB or 50 GB, 1000 GB, whatever it may be. For practice purpose, 2 GB enough for me. Only testing, right? 2 GB enough for me. So minimum, so 1 GB, and maximum how much GB we can add it? See here, 16,384 GB we can maximum, and minimum at least 1 GB. Okay, so the value must be in integer value only, only integer. How many GB you want, guys? 2 GB enough for me. Okay, next input output per second. These are the reading, writing and all. So minimum, maximum, how much, the value must be an integer. So if you want to, we can change it, or else leave it a default. Now this is very very important. This is the very very important. This is the very very availability zone. So before creating volume, first we need to see. Now just assume now my instance is running Mumbai, right? Mumbai region. In Mumbai region, how many availability zones available, guys? Mumbai, AP South
Please.
1, AP South 1, right? Okay. So how many? This is the region. This is the region, Mumbai region. How many zones available? We can see here. So we can see here three zones. See here, AP South 1A, AP South 1B, AP South 1C. So AP South 1A, 1B, these are the available in Mumbai. So these are the available zone. These are the available. These are the available 1A, 1B, and 1C. 1C. Now if you want to 1c, right? Now this is my instance. Before creating volume, there is a one rule where this instance is running present. We need to check it. So maybe 1a or 1b 1c, right? So there only we need to create your volume and we can attach is possible. Suppose my instance is running 1b, you created volume 1a, so we cannot attach this volume to this instance. That is a basic rule. Now before that, so come to here, new tab, and so go to here instance. Now check it, where your instance is running. See here, where is my instance is running, which availability zone?
One is
1a.
yeah.
So now we have to create volume where I am going to create one volume.
Yeah, please tell one year.
That is a basic point. Okay, so interview also one or two people they asked. So my instance is running. So one some different different availability zone. I created volume different availability zone. Is it possible to assign this to this volume to this instance? So now make sure that where is your instance is running, same availability zone only we have to create volume also. We have to create volume also. Okay, got it. Now I'm going to create volume here only. Create volume here only. So this is the first, check it where you want to create. Now my instance is running 1a. Now I'm going to select 1a. Got it. Now these are the snapshot ID. If you have anything, this is very simple only. That's it. Only here which is the mandatory availability zone. Suppose if we select B means, so we can attach this volume only B availability zone. What are the instance running in B? So for that instance only we can attach this. But anyway, I am going selecting here. That's it. How much GB I selected? 2 GB. And anything missing? Tags. If you want to, we can add tag. Okay. This is my volume. Dev volumes, DevApps volume, DevApps volume. Okay. Just these are the key and name. This is the volume, right? DevApp, and this is the DevApps volume. Just I given some name, whatever you want, we can add it. Okay, add. That's it. Now remove this one and create volume. Now volume is ready. Now volume is ready. Now see here. So now see here. This is your volume. Now this is your volume. Now first time it is showing volume is creating. Now just it is creating the volume. Now how to attach this volume to that instance? It is not volume. So DevApps. Just I given value, whatever name we can assign. Okay, this is a 2 GB. Now so if you see here, now this is my instance, right? So this is my instance. Now as of now, how many volumes, guys? 8 GB. One is the root volume, one is the root volume. If you go to storage, and by default right now we can see what is the volume, root only. What is the volume? This is so this is by default, whenever while creating instance only it is attached. This is the root volume, 8 GB. Now I am going to attach my, just now I created one volume, right? How to attach? Now how to attach? First we have to wait available. First we have to wait available. Just refresh it, refresh it. So now see here. So now it is available. In use. That is 3 is in use. What is this meaning? In use means already other instances are
Used
using
one.
used one. So we cannot attach this one. Now select your volume. Select created volume and go to actions, and go to actions, there is one option is there, attach volume. So if you click on attach volume, if you click on attach volume, now see here. Now so availability zone AP South 1A. Now instance, now if you click on drop down, so here we can see many instances. So here I have 3 instances. See here, see here 3 instances. Why it is showing 3 means, anyone guess it? So in availability A, so A zone, there is 3 instances running. Now if you want to, we can check here also. Now go to here instances. So total here how many running? So 3 instances available. See here count is total 4. One is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So out of 4, 3 is stopped, 1 is running. What is my instance ID? Remember this name 0 CE 0 CE and remaining all are stopped. Now go to here and if you click on instance type and so these all are the running instance, maybe some other instance running different region. So here it is showing only 3, right? What about other one is missing, maybe that is in different see here it is 1B. Now got it. This is not display in the drop down list. Why it is not displaying? This instance is running which zone?
Other zones, one day availability.
Different availability zone,
One day.
different
Yeah.
availability zone. That is the reason. So that id is it is not displaying here. Now my volume is created 1A. Now see here this is my 1A availability zone. Now it is displaying. So what are the instances running only this particular available zone? Anyway, so what is my id? Which instance you want to attach? Select this one. This is the running instance. Now so device name. Now device name. So for root volume, what is the default name? Root volume. So dev slash xvd, right? So that is the default name. Even if you go here, storage, right? Under storage. Now we can see here what is the root volume name slash dev slash xvda. This is the default root volume name. So this is the default root volume name. This is the default root volume name. So we cannot change. By default, a system will assign a default name. Now I am going to give my name, right? Now I am going to attach. Now it is asking select a device name. So apart from this, we need to select device name. So there is many names available. See specify account custom device name if you want to, but already recommended for data volumes. So already many names available here. Select whichever you want. Select whichever you want. See here there is many names. These are the names. Whatever you want, we can select any one name. Okay. Now I'm selecting as a dev xvdbf. See here. So newer Linux kernels may rename your device. If you want to, we can devise this name also through the xvdf internally. So these are the default information. Now that's it. Nothing. So select your volume and go to click on action. Click on attach volume and select your instance. Select your device name. That's it. I attached. That's it. Now see here. So now see here. This is the volume, right? So this is the volume. So now earlier it is available, right? Now it will see what is the option changed volume state in
In
use.
use.
In use means already attached. Now okay. Now this is the 8 GB. Now just now I attached one volume. So what is my volume? I attached 2 GB. This is the external volume 2 GB attached. Okay, 2 GB. Now, so where is this? 2 GB attached. Next, how to use it? Now, first we'll go to how to check it and all. Now, UA level also, if you want to, we can check it. UA level already I attached, right? You can see here. Now go to here, just refresh. As of now, we can see only root volume, right? So now just refresh it. Now we can see two volumes. Now click on this instance ID. Click on this instance ID. Go to storage. Go to storage. Now see here. Now see here. Here which is the root volume and which is our customized volume, which is our own. So now see here
8 GB.
xvda 8 GB. Now name itself we can understand. So this is the root volume, default name is xvda. Okay, 8 GB attached. And here also we can check date and time when this is created and all. So now everything we can track here also. Now see here delete and termination yes or no. If you want to we can. Now this is the I attached 2 GB. Now first let me connect instance. So how to connect instance? Now attach, that's it. Now story is done. Now go to here. Now go to click on instance and click on connect. Now how to use it? You know, right? How to use it? Now go to here. Now let me go to here. Where is my pm file? So download. This is my pm file. This is my pm file. I need to copy somewhere. Okay. Now go to here. Copy this command. Go to right click. Open git bash. Remaining story same only. Now how to check it? Linux command. How to check Linux commands, guys? Drives and all. What is the command? Anyone? I want to check. So some drives and all. You know, right? Df, du, disk usage, very important. Interview also many people asking. So df and du. What is the difference between df and du? Interview
Distributed.
mostly they are asking this question. Linux
DF means a
uh,
file system
disk
distribution.
usage. One is disk usage. Another one is okay. Now, so if you want to see now what is the command? Now tell me what is the Linux command? I want to check it. D
DF-KH.
HRKH. Okay, now you can check it. Now see here. Now this is where is my drive name here? Do we have anything here? Now this is the EBS, right? Just now I created volume. So if you want to see, if you see volume drives and all, this is the command. What is the B? What is the command? ls b. What is the command? ls
Okay.
blk.
LSBL.
What is this black storage? blk. ls means blk. Now see here, I want to see that partitions only drives in my, if you windows, right? If you want to see drives and all, if you go my computer, we can see drives, right? C drive, D drive, like this. What is the space? How much space you used? What is the free space? What is the total space? What is the free space and all? This is the windows we are seeing. Like in same way in Linux, if you want to check only drives, only drive names, and so whether what are the drive names available and all. If you want to check it, this is a command lsblk black. Okay, so lsblk. Now so this is my drive name. Now so directly now I can use this drive name. మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఒక న్యూ హార్డ్ డిస్క్ బై చేశారా? పెన్
No,
డ్రైవ్
sir.
కానీ? నో, రైట్? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యూ బై వన్ న్యూ హార్డ్ డిస్క్. ఫస్ట్ వాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు డూ? ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇది ఆపరేటింగ్
Need to
సిస్టమ్.
remove
సో
all.
యూ బై 1 5 GB 1 TB హార్డ్ డిస్క్, ఎక్స్టర్నల్ హార్డ్ డిస్క్. 1 TB 1 TB 1 TB ఎక్స్టర్నల్ హార్డ్ డిస్క్. 1 TB ఎక్స్టర్నల్ టీబీ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ hard disk, HDD or SSD. Okay. Now directly we can use it, or what you need to do first? Anyone? At least ఫస్ట్ మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, దీన్ని
Format.
ఫార్మేట్ చేస్తారు. కరెక్టా? ఇప్పుడు పెన్ డ్రైవ్ బై చేసినారు.
Yes.
పెన్ డ్రైవ్ బై చేసి
Yes, sir.
డైరెక్ట్గా ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇనిషియల్ every device we need to do some operation. What is that? We need to format the device, or we can format device, or we can split the spaces. ఇప్పుడు నేను హార్డ్ డిస్క్ బై చేశాను. సో దిస్ is 1 TB. This is the only single drive, right? 1 TB means only this is single drive, only one drive. This is the one drive only. No, 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 sir, I want to multiple drives. C drive, D drive, or multiple drives. So without format, can you change it? So direct this initial, this is 1 TB, and we can drive it also. We can split multiple drives, and if you want to use it, we need to format it. And same way, now this is the drive already attached. Now if you want to use it, so first what you need to do? We need to format. మన విండోస్లో అయితే ఫార్మేట్ అంటాం. మన విండోస్లో అయితే ఫార్మేట్ అంటాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ యూ సెలెక్ట్ ఎనీ డ్రైవ్, ఇఫ్ యూ రైట్ క్లిక్, సో దర్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ దర్, సీ హియర్ ఫార్మేట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద విండోస్ టెర్మినాలజీ. ఓకే, అంటే ఎరేజ్ డేటా మొత్తాన్ని ఏం చేస్తాం మనం ఫస్ట్ టైం. ఈవెన్ డేటా ఉన్నా లేకపోయినా మనం ఏం
Correct.
చేయాలి, ఫస్ట్ ఎరేజ్ చేయాలి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఫార్మేట్. అండ్ సేమ్ వే ఇన్ లైనెక్స్ ఆల్సో, సో వీ నీడ్ టు డూ వన్ కమాండ్. ఫస్ట్ వీ నీడ్ టు ఫార్మేట్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద కమాండ్ if you want to format? Anyone? If you want to format, what is the command? Already I shared one document, right? So in this document, so that commands and all already available. If you want to just refer it. So if you want to format, if you want to format, So this is the already here somewhere we can use that commands and all. So what is EBS, right? Elastic bar storage. And so now what is the command? So this is the command mkfs. You know, right? mkds. What is mkds? Mkdir.
Okay, that means that
Make directory, right? If mkfs means file system. Make
means that
file system, that's it. Only command will change, remaining same only. Now this is the command. So mkfs make file system makes sudo, right? I am a root user, so sudo yes. This is the types format types, ext4, ext3, ext2. Just google it, we can understand. Even if you insert any pen drive, and they are giving so format multiple ways. If you insert any pen drive, so fat 32-bit and NTFS. There is many ways we can format. If you insert pen drive, NTFS network file system and FAT32, FAT32. What is the other version? Mostly we can see these two options, right? And so whichever option we can want, we can select it while formatting. Same way, now I'm going to format this drive, and which format you want to, this and all no need to remember, already you can get in Google. MKFS, if you search MKFS, they are giving many options, and this is the drive name. What is the drive name, guys? Here slash dv slash xvd. What is my dbf? My drive name I selected. What is the drive name here? This is my drive name. Now got it?
XVTV.
XVDBF. This is the drive name. That's it. Now, so now see here. Now see here. Here we can see creating file system with block storage, and so allocating group labels done. Writing in inode also done. Creating journal also done. Everything it is done. Now check it. LSBBLK. LSBLK. Now see here. Now see here. Here. Now earlier we can see 2 GB, now it's 20 GB disk only, right? XVDF. Now if you want to see the usage and all, I want to see usage, right? DF, if disk usage, DF or disk partition, DU, DF hyphen KH. Now see here, there is my 2 GB, DF or DU and KH. This is disk usage, DF only. Where is our path? DV XDF 1.GB. It is showing this is size, and this is available. What is the command? Command correct or not? Let me go to here. If we want to check what is the command, DF only, right? 2G. This is megabyte. This is available space used. Okay, maybe here only we can check it. Total. Okay, LSBLK. So now format also done. Now how to use it? For example, specifically if you want to use this drive, some specific, for example, Jenkins purpose or Docker purpose or Kubernetes purpose or anything. Okay, now the space is available. Now how to use mount? There is a one command is there, mount command. So if you want to mount this space, this is the command. So this is the command mount space device name, and so this is your which location, you know, right? If you install Jenkins, by default it will give one Jenkins path and Docker path. If you install Jenkins means where slash, what is the variable?
And lib Jenkins.
Variable. What is Jenkins default installation path?
Lib,
Where
Jenkins
lib
where lib
Jenkins.
Jenkins.
varlib Jenkins. For example, Jenkins I don't have any space. Okay, I want to set this 2 GB space to, I want to mount this 2 GB space to Jenkins, or you know, right? So Ansible or Docker. What is the Docker default? You know, right? Already Docker is running, right? What is the default?
Where lib
Where lib
Docker.
Docker.
Var lib
Where lib
lib
Docker.
Docker. Now I don't have any space this directory. I want to use my volume space to this. So that is the we need to run one command. Mount your drive name. What is your drive name? Your drive name slash dv slash
XCGB.
where is this? I given one drive name, right? This is the name. This is my drive name. This is the drive name. Very simple only. So drive name mount. Every time it will go 9. Okay. Now, so for which package or wherever you want, that is your wish. For example, I set up Docker Jenkins and all, and Docker. I don't have any space for this creating containers, running containers and all. So now I want to use only this particular directory. Now we need to give here. That is the path. So what is the path? Slash var slash lib slash docker. That's it. This is the one command. First we need to format the device, and next we can use the mount your device. That is the volume path, and your which purpose you want to use. Not only this, we can create your own directory, or we can map that one also. That is your wish. Whatever you want, we can. That is our wish. Clear, guys? So hardly here only two commands. One is mk mkfs, and second one is mount. That's it. So first we need to, what is this? We are formatting the drive. Okay. Simply if you want to understand, format the drive volume, here volume. Okay. Next, mount means we can use it. Which purpose, which drive we want to use it means, so that case we need to use mount. So only these two commands. Only one is only we need to remember these two commands, mkfs, and so this and all. That's it. So mkfs means we need format the device, and mount means where which purpose you want to use it. That's it. Anyone any doubt here? Whatever you want, not only Jenkins Docker, that is your wish. This and all your wish. Wherever you want, we can give it. So no need to give only Docker Jenkins and all. మీకు ఎక్కడ స్పేస్ సరిపోలేదంటే ఆ డ్రైవ్ పాత్ని మీరు ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేసుకుంటారు. దట్స్ ఇట్. క్లియర్? క్లియర్ గైస్?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes.
now go and so if you have any, right? Now if you want to, we can use it. Now I run that command or not? Where I run ds, right? Finally, we need to use mount mount sudo, right? Sudo mount and slash dv slash xv, what is my drive name? xvdbf. And for which purpose? For example, I want to tmp. I want to use for temporary. I need to use, I need to keep, I need to download some files. I don't have much space in temp directory or etc directory, wherever you want. This is a configuration directory, right? Mostly all softwares installing here only, right? I want to use, I am going to give something. For example, softwares. I don't have space particular in this path. I want to use a particular this where. This 2 GB it is adding for this particular directory. That's it.
Davis space.
Sorry. What?
Davis.
Dev type address.
Hmm?
Dev type address.
Dev. This is drive name. Just whatever name we can give. This is your drive name. So dev slash. This is your external drive. Whatever your volume drive name, and so give this your path. We can give any path here. That is your wish. But only this is mandatory. This is the mandatory. That's it. Now see here, and so there is a software's directory not available. So software's directory is not available. First go to that path. Where you need to go, or else I am going to here ls. I don't have any rate mk dar. I am giving a softwares. So I am giving softwares pwd. What is the path here? Home ec2 softwares. Now I'm giving same command. I want to use this. Where is this my path? Home slash home slash ec2 home slash ec2 hyphen user. That's it. Next softwares. Now see here. Now got it. అర్థమైందా? Wherever you want we can use it, that is your wish. This is only path only, your path, which directories, which purpose, which home directory you want to use it. And this is your volume drive name, this is your volume drive name. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? So this is the EBS, this is the EBS. So EBS means so now we can create, if you want to create any, if you want to attach your EBS to any instance, make sure that same availability zone available or not. So same available or not. Now there is a one more. Clear, yes or no? If it is clear, let's move on to one more service. Simple only. Here anyone any doubt? Hello?
So clear, sir.
Okay. Now go
Yes.
to here. In interview also most of the people they are asking this question. What is difference between EBS and EFS? So this is very important question. Try to understand. So now we can easily understand once this is done. What is so difference between EBS, you know now, and EFS. EFS means, EBS means this is elastic block storage. Create volume and
Like
also
elastic
attach
file
this.
storage.
EFS means elastic. EFS. There is one service available here. So there is a one service EFS. EFS. EFS means see here. This is the EFS file system. EFS elastic file system. This is the EFS. Now if you go here, type that one. Now first try to understand in real time. You know, right? So Google Drive, share drive and all. మనకి just come to here G drive. Now go to here. You know, right? In real time we are using so share drive, share path. You have any idea? Anyone? This is a drive, share drive. Shared means we are going to giving only one person or multiple persons. Shared drive. ఒక్కరికే ఇస్తానా, మల్టిపుల్ పీపుల్కి ఇస్తానా?
Multiple people.
Multiple
Multiple
play.
people. That is basic point. You know, right? Google Drive. We are storing something daily. We are getting right something. Clear? This is the, this all are the resources, right? So this is one common location. So generally in real time, this is the one mission. This is just assume this is the one server. This is one instance. Somewhere it is running. And this is also same instance only. This is also, for example, just assume this is my Linux operating system, OS. This is my Linux operating system. So this is my Linux operating system. This is my Linux operating system, and it is running somewhere. Now for developer, for example, for software purpose, for softwares, project means for everyone same softwares, right? Developers, testers, for any all. For example, so this is the one server, this is the one instance, and I'm going to create one drive. For example, softwares one drive, one directory. That is nothing but one directory. So project specific related softwares and all I need to keep here, and I am going to share this path to everyone. I am share this path to everyone. What these people will do, వాళ్ళు ఏం చేయొచ్చు, దీన్ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో దే కెన్ కాపీ టు లోకల్ మిషన్ అండ్ దే కెన్ ఇన్స్టాల్ ఇట్. ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ గో టు ఇంటర్నెట్ అండ్ డౌన్లోడ్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ దట్. అండ్ సో ఇన్ రియల్ టైమ్ వీఆర్ మెయింటైనింగ్ సేమ్ వే ఆల్సో. మాకు ఒక డ్రైవ్ పాత్ ఉంటుంది, షేర్ డ్రైవ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ షేర్ డ్రైవ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ మిషన్. దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు క్రియేట్ దిస్ పాత్ వన్ మిషన్. Maybe any mission, They are maintaining one separate mission, common mission. And so there is a one directory, softwares directory, that is the directory. Under this directory, all softwares available. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఒక సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కావాలి, ప్రాజెక్ట్ రిలేటెడ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్. ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు గో డైరెక్ట్లీ ఇంటర్నెట్, నో నీడ్ టు డౌన్లోడ్ అండాలి. వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు, నేను అడిగాను అనుకో, వాళ్ళు ఒక పాత్ ఇస్తారు నాకు, డ్రైవ్ పాత్. సో విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ద డ్రైవ్ పాత్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు కనెక్ట్ దిస్ వన్ అండ్ ఐఎమ్ కాపింగ్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ ఐ డౌన్లోడ్ సమ్మన్, ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ 3 పీపుల్ వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు సేమ్, దిస్ డ్రైవ్ పాత్ షేర్ టు 3 పీపుల్, జస్ట్ అజ్యూమ్. సో సో హీ ఈస్ ద ఏ అండ్ హీ ఈస్ ద బి అండ్ హీ ఈస్ ద సి. ముగ్గురు యూస్ చేస్తున్నారు సేమ్ డ్రైవ్ని. ఓకే, నౌ ఎవ్రీ వన్ కెన్ యాక్సెస్ ఆర్ ఓన్లీ వన్ పీపుల్ కెన్ యాక్సెస్ దిస్ డ్రైవ్? ఎవ్రీ వన్ కెన్ యూజ్ ఇట్, రైట్? బట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సి పీపుల్, ఇప్పుడు వీడు ఏం చేయాలి, వీడు ఏదైనా ఒక సాఫ్ట్వేర్ని ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేయాలి. వీడు ఏం చేస్తాడు, కాపీ చేసి ఆ డ్రైవ్తో కనెక్ట్ అయ్యి ఇక్కడ ఫేస్ చేస్తాడు. దట్ ఈస్ వే వీఆర్ ఫాలోయింగ్, దిస్ ఇస్ బేసిక్ ఓన్లీ. ఇప్పుడు నా మిషన్లో ఉన్నాను, దిస్ ఈజ్ మై జస్ట్ అజ్యూమ్, దిస్ ఈజ్ మై ల్యాప్టాప్ అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద షేర్డ్ డ్రైవ్. షేర్డ్ మీన్స్ అందరికి కామన్గా ఒక డ్రైవ్ ఉంటుంది. సో నేనేం చేస్తాను, నా లోకల్లో ఉన్న ఫైల్స్ని కాపీ చేసుకొని ఇక్కడ పోయి ప్లేస్ చేస్తాను, ఇక్కడ పోయి ప్లేస్ చేస్తాను. This is one way in real time. Now AWS people, they are providing so one right, so EFS. So first they are going to create one EFS. How it will work means, so first try to understand like this it will work. How it means, so it is working so like this. For example, just assume this is my mission, this is my mission. I am working so different project, and so he is working different project. Now just assume, ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తాను అంటే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద టీమ్ ఏ, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద జస్ట్ అజమ్ టీమ్ ఏ, దిస్ ఈజ్ టీమ్ ఏ అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద టీమ్ బి, టీమ్ బి. నౌ హియర్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు క్రియేట్, హియర్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు create one EFS. I am going to create one EFS. Here I am going to create one EFS. Here I am going to create one EFS. So right, this is very simple only, EFS. I am going to create one EFS, and so here this is the EFS drive, this is the EFS path, this is the EFS path. Here we need to execute some commands only. Here this is the EFS, and it is giving one ID also, it is giving one EFS ID, EFS ID. We are copying this EF ID, and in our mission we are running some commands, we are going to run some commands, we are going to run some commands. So now this is common for all, this is common for all. వీడు దీన్ని యాక్సెస్ చేస్తారు ఈ టీమ్ వాళ్ళు. సో రియల్ టైంలో ఈ టీమ్ వాడు కూడా దీన్ని యాక్సెస్ చేస్తారు. సో నౌ ఇఫ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు కనెక్ట్ దిస్ ఈఎఫ్ఎస్, ఎవ్రీ మిషన్, సో ఎవ్రీ మిషన్, సో దే నీడ్ టు రన్ సమ్ కమాండ్, దే నీడ్ టు రన్ సమ్ కమాండ్. So what are those commands means, so first they are giving that they are maintaining some common one drive path. This here also they are maintaining, for example, mkdir common drive name. First write, and every time it is changing. Okay, so mkdfs, I am using EFS. Okay, this is EFS is the directory, correct? Now we need to run mount, I want to use mount, and so this EFS path. Before that we need to install NFS also. NFS is the one server, already you know, right, few people. NFS, NFS, what is NFS? Network file system. EFS means both are same only, but this is the, it is acting like a server. We are going to install one software like install nfs hyphen utils. What is this? This is the, what is this? If I run this command, what is this? This is the one simple package. Install nfs hyphen utils means this is the one package, and I am going to create one directory, and I am mounting this directory. This and all, you no need to worry, everything generated here only, everything generated here only. But this is common for all. For example, B team, they created one file, touch 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 b.txt. He created one file. Okay. So in this path, this is the common path. Here there is a, what is the directory name we given? EFS only. This is the EFS. EFS means this is one directory. Don't confuse here. Directory. Okay. So we are following the same way, same. This is the, here also we are giving mkdir EFS, mkdir EFS. Here also mkdir VFS, and here it is giving one the path. Just we are copying, we are running that in our machine. That's it. Now he created one file. Now, so team A also we can see, team B also we can see. So now all are available same path only. Where is this? This is the b.txt. Now team A వాళ్ళు ఒక ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేశారు. Just assume a.txt ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేశారు. So now this file can see both are only one team. For example, వీడు ఒక డైరెక్టరీ క్రియేట్ చేసినాడు. ఓకే, ఒక డైరెక్టరీ. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ mkdir, I'm giving so test directory. Now test directory available here. Test. Okay. Now everyone can see. This is like a shared drive only, common. అంటే టీమ్ బి క్రియేట్ చేసే ఫైల్స్ ని టీమ్ ఏ వాళ్ళు చూడొచ్చు, వీడియో చేసిన ఫైల్స్ ని వీడియో చూడొచ్చు, బట్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ఇన్ సేమ్ లొకేషన్. అర్థమవుతుందా కాన్సెప్ట్? This is one common location, EFS. This is we are going to install one NFS server, like it is acting like one server, and this is like one server. And so here we are going to give one drive path, and we are running that command in this mission. We are going to run this command in this mission. Now team A వాళ్ళు క్రియేట్ చేసిన ఫైల్స్ అన్ని ఈ పాత్రలో ఉంటుంది, టీమ్ బి క్రియేట్ చేసిన ఫైల్స్ అన్ని సేమ్ పాత్రలో ఉంటుంది. బట్ వైట్ వర్స, రైట్ రిప్లికేషన్ ఇన్ AWS, రైట్ రిప్లికేషన్. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? Replication.
Repeat it.
So this is just assume this is the one folder, this is the one bucket, this is the one bucket. ఇక్కడ క్రియేట్ చేసిన ఫైల్స్ అని, అప్లోడ్ చేసిన ఫైల్స్ అని వీడియో చూడొచ్చు, వీడియో చేసిన ఫైల్స్ అని వీడియో చూడొచ్చు, లైక్ వైస్ వర్సా. క్లియర్ గైస్?
Yes.
దట్స్ ఇట్. లైక్ షేర్ డ్రైవ్ పాత్ అంటే ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్ నేను కామన్గా షేర్ చేయాలి. సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు షేర్, దిస్ ఈస్ ద వన్ సర్వీస్, ఎలాస్టిక్ ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్, EFS. హియర్ నో నీడ్ టు డూ ఎనీథింగ్, ఓన్లీ వన్ స్టెప్, క్రియేట్ ఫైల్, and this is the name. We can give any names. Create NFS file system with recommended settings. Okay, I am giving one name. For example, DevApps EFS, elastic file system. Now see here, and it is asking VPC. Under which VPC? Where you want to create NFS. So suppose if we have multiple VPCs, we can select your VPC. This is default. If create means create. For example, if you want to see more options, click customized. Now see here, only regional or only one zone. Right, what is difference between regional and zone? See, where you want only one zone or only regional. So if you select one zone, which zone you want to create? Which zone you want to create? A, B, C. Right now I have 3 available zones, right? So regional means common. Now see here, this is the life cycle management. In S3 also, right, life cycle management. What is that? Transition period, expiration period, right? Transition into infrequent. What is IA? Infrequent access, RQ, after 90 days. Now transition into standard, none. If you want to, we can set it. These are the basic life cycle management, same like S3. Now this is the performance settings. If you want to boost up, we can increase, and so additional and general purpose, whatever you want. If you want to add tag and all, only that is your wish. If you want to, we can change it. Now see here, after 30 days, after 60 days, after 90 days, transition into RQ, how many days? So this and all. Anyway, right now I am selecting default. If you want to, we can change based on your requirement. Just create. Next it is asking, so mount target. So where we want to use, see here, these are the subnets, these are the available group and security group. These are the security group. So this is the default security group, and if you have your own security group, select that one. If you have your own select group, select that one. Okay, so that's it. Remaining story same only, whatever you want. This is under your wish. I hope everyone know. So what is security group and what purpose we need to. Here we are learn something. Okay, I am selecting all three. That's it. Next, these are the policies. Root access. If you want to prevent root access, if you want to enforce read-only access and anonymous access, whatever you want, we can enable. Now I am giving so for everyone, see, select one or more these common policies option to create custom policy. So how to create and permissions, how to add grant file permissions also. So whether you want to read access, read, write access, whatever you want. Okay, so by default everyone have read and write access. Even if you are not enable, by default it will come read and write only, you don't worry. Okay, so click on next. Remove this one, I don't want. Default it is coming, default permissions and all. Now click on create. Now this is the EFS. I created EFS. This is the file system ID. This is the ID. See here, if we create EFS, this is the ID. This is your file system ID. So this is your sorry, this is your control Z. This is your file system ID. So every EFS there is have an ID. This is my file system ID. So with the help of only we are going to access your that path and all. That path and all. This is your file system ID. This is your file system ID. Okay. F is missing. F I also need FS. FS means file system. Now this is okay. Now how to do, how to attach this one. Now this is my instance, right? Now I'm going to create two instances. I'm going to finish. How it will work means, now already one instance is running. What about others? So now I'm going to use this one also. I'm going to start. We need to check, right? Just assume one is team A server, one is team B server. Based on this diagram, just assume one is this is the, I'm giving team A, mission, and this is the team B mission. Just 5 minutes, I will close it. Okay, team B mission. That's it. Now anyone any doubt here as of now? So I created one EFS, same like I created one EFS, and it is giving one ID. And even if you click on here, see here, so if you go here, if you click on file system and click on your EFS ID, this is the full name, DNS name. You know what is DNS name? Copy this one and paste it somewhere. I need again this one. I need this one again. I need this again. Or else directly here itself also we can see. So there is one option is there. Attach. There is one option. So EFS is created. We need to attach particular instance, right? Otherwise, how it will work? This is like shared drive only. So this is the one mission. This is the one mission. Now I am going to connect this mission, and I am attaching this EBS to this mission also. And same way I am connecting this mission, and I am attaching this EBS. Now replicas will be working. How it will work? Now close this one. Yes. And go to here, first one mission, anyone, that is your wish. Team B, I am connecting team B. Click on connect, copy this, connect this mission. Where is my PM file? Go to here. Okay, this is okay, right? Now control plus plus. Now how to attach? Now as of now, did I attach EBS to this mission? No, right? అర్థమవుతుందా? Now EBS create చేసినాను, EBS ని ఈ మిషన్ కి అటాచ్ చేశానా? Now see here this mission. So how to attach? So there is one command. See here. So there is one command. Or else, if you click on attach, now it is giving commands also. No need to do anything. Simply everything. See, mount your Amazon EFS file system on our Linux instance. I want to use this EFS, my mission. See here, using NFS client, So you want to use NFS client or you want to use EFS? Both are same only. Your command will increase. Your command is short only. That's it. Remaining part same only. Whatever you want, we can select. Now, what is NFS, right? So first, check it. NF is installed or not. So this is the command: sudo m install nfs hyphen, what is the package name? Utils hyphen y. Now if already available, so no need. See here, already available by default. NFS server, NFS right, package is available, already installed. What is this meaning? No need to do anything. Now I need to mount this, so copy this command using NFS client. Already NFS software available. Copy this one and go to this mission and paste it. That's it. No need to remember anything. No need to. Now anyway, we are getting one error point. Mount point EFS does not exist. Now what I did, guys, mount point undali kada. Ante mount point ante one common directory. Here what is the mount point name here? ఇక్కడ mount point name common directory name ఏమి ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఇక్కడ. See here, what is the directory name? Default they provided
Yep.
EFS. This is the mount point directory name. So now just create mkdir EFS. That's it. Now run this command. Now it is working or not? Now see here. Now same way we have to do in that mission. This is the which mission? 81. Now connect another mission. Where is this mission? Now go to here. I connected. So this B, right? Now come to A mission. So where is this A, team A mission? Both are same. All are same only. Just click on this. Click on connect. Now right click. Go to here. Git bash. Same commands. Try here also. First, what you need to do? First, you need to create one directory. mkdir efs. This is the EFS. Now already we copied, right? Now paste it. Now not this one. You need to mount, right? How to mount? Go to EFS. Only one command. That's it. Where is this? This one. Copy this one and go to here. This mission. Just paste it. That's it. Why it is taking this much? Anything missing? Only nf directory is created, right? Colon. Okay. So here one thing you need to understand. So I attached one security group, right? Which security group I attached for this EBS? We need to see, right? Security group. What is the security group here attached? Now we can see somewhere. Where is the security group? How to find file system? And this is my file system. I attached one security group. I need to check whether EFS is allowed or not. So click on this. Here also we can see general purpose enable life cycle policy 90 days availability zone region. Where it will come? Tag file system policy. No. Access point network. South A. Now see here subnet ID and where is security group? This is the security group. Okay. Now check it. Security group launch hyphen wizard 1. Launch hyphen wizard 1. EC2 click on EC2, go to security group. Where is security group? Security groups. And where is launch? This one, right? Click on this. Go to inbound rule. Click on edit inbound rule. And only here they allowed, which one they allowed? Which this is SSH, right? Now I need to work with EFS also. If you type EFS, sorry, NFS, right? EFS, NFS, we install NFS. E, where is this? NFS. There is a NFS. We need to allow that one also. Where is that one? Now see here, NFS. So what is the NFS server port number?
204.
I am using which command, guys? Don't confuse here. I am using C here, NFS4, and mount. I am using that particular NFS server and all. Just I am allowing that port number only. So anywhere, just save it. Okay. Now go to here. Now again running same command. Again running same command. Now see here, it is working fine. Now again, earlier it is not working, right? Why it is not working? Previously మనకి అట్లా వెయిట్ చేస్తా ఉన్నాను కదా. Why it is not working? That port number is not
Security group.
security group. It is not allowing connect. That's it. Now I am in 81 mission. Now this is the 14 mission. Now go to this CD space. What is the common drive name I given? Common drive name. They given, not I given. Already EFS people they given, right? What is that name? So if we click on here and click on attach, what is the name drive that is directly they given? EFS, right?
EFS.
I also created same. Now go to EFS and LS. Right now I don't have, right? Create. For example, touch touch space. This is the which mission? 81. Okay. So for just assume this is 81 means team B, right? For example, file B, for understanding purpose, file B, I am giving 4 files or 5 files, right? Whatever that's it. You don't have access, sudo. Okay. How many files available? 4 files. I am in which mission? Team B mission. Correct? So file B1, file B2, file B3. Now go to another mission. Now I can see or not that files and all. Anyone guess it at least? CD face, CFS. If I use ls command, those 4 files, 5 files visible here or not? మీకు ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థం ఏంటే కనిపిస్తుందా, డిస్ప్లే అవుతుందా లేదా తెలుస్తుంది. Now I can visible or not? If I use ls command,
Visible.
visible. There is no,
Visible.
if it is not visible means no use, right?
Yes.
Now see here, TOUS
Yeah.
touch space, and so file A I am giving for example 1 dot dot I given 10 files. Okay, sorry, sudo, right? Sudo. Now if I go to this mission, I can see that files are not. Now guess it.
Yeah, we can see.
That is a concept. Otherwise there is no, right? Now got it. So this is the file system. This is the file system. This is the file system, and that is the volume. EBS means that is the volume. We are increasing that size and all. This is common. So if anyone is asking what is difference between file system, and also this is the, so EBS is the region specific, that is availability specific, availability zone. ఇప్పుడు నేను నాకు ఈబీఎస్ క్రియేట్ చేసిన వాల్యూమ్ క్రియేట్ చేసినాను. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు అటాచ్ ఇన్స్టెన్స్ కూడా ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి? సేమ్ అవైలబిలిటీ జోన్లో ఉండాలి. బట్ హియర్ నాట్ లైక్ దట్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద multi. Now even if you try in Google, this is very important question. So EFS and EBS, most of the people they are asking what is difference between EBS and EFS. See here, so EFS, EBS and EFS also offer high durability. The main difference lies EFS volume can be scale up quickly and automatically to meet the this is okay. I need different. Amazon choose EFS. Go back. Now click on images. Many people they given, right? This is very, very important. Interview also many people they are asking what is difference between EBS, right? EBS, EFS. Now see here. So this is the EFS file system. This file system I am sharing to multiple instances. That's it. Very simple. Same diagram I draw also. So this is the EFS. This file system is mounted using the NFS v4 protocol. How it will work means NFS vs protocol, and so these are the two instances. I shared this path to file system path to multiple instances, and so this is the block storage. This is the file storage. So this is the block. EBS means block. That is the means drive. That is means like drive. Now see here hardly. So manually scale the size of the volume without stopping the instances. So if you want to increase the size, EBS, first stop the instance, we need to increase. But EFS means highly scalable managed service. So no need to stop mission. Directly we can create, we can upload, we can delete whatever we want. MKDR, MKDIR. I am giving a DevOps folder. Now we can see vice versa. Sudo. Now come to here. Here also we can see ls, ll. If you use ll, we can see that directory here also. Vice versa. And there is one more point I am expecting where they given data access. So EBS means can only be accessed by single EC2 instance. Single EC2 instance. This is the main difference. If I attached EBS, that is working only one instance or multiple instances. నేను ఒక వాల్యూమ్ని అటాచ్ చేశాను కదా, ఎన్ని ఇన్స్టెన్స్ అటాచ్ చేశాను వాల్యూమ్ని? ఓన్లీ వన్ ఇన్స్టెన్స్ ఆర్ మల్టిపుల్ ఇన్స్టెన్సెస్? ఈబిఎస్
One,
ఓన్లీ వన్. బట్ ఇప్పుడు నేను
only
ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్ని ఎన్ని మిషన్స్ కన్నా అటాచ్ చేసుకో. సీ హియర్. అండ్ ఈఎఫ్ఎస్ ఫైల్ స్టోరేజ్ సర్వీస్ ఫర్ ఈఎఫ్ఎస్ కెన్ బి యూజ్డ్ యాజ్ నెట్వర్క్ ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్ ఫర్ ఆన్ ప్రెమిసెస్ సర్వర్స్ టూ మెనీ ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్ డైరెక్టరీస్. మీరు ఎన్ని మిషన్స్ కావాలని అటాచ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఎన్ని డైరెక్టరీలు కావాలని అటాచ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ విష్. Now availability, EBS, that is okay. Durability, there is now this is main. Availability zone failure. EBS cannot withstand available failure without any point. But EFS files, every file system object is stored across multiple availability zones. So we are going to attach particular availability zone, and EFS we attach it to multiple availability zones. Not only. So here there is no restrictions. So your mission is same availability zone. Maybe this mission is running one availability zone. This mission is running one availability zone. So wherever we want, we can attach this EFS. That is the main difference. So EBS is only single instance. EFS is multiple instances. And EBS means same availability zone. And EFS means multiple availability zones. These are the main difference. I hope you got it right. This is very, very important. మీరు ప్రాక్టికల్గా చేస్తే వీ కెన్ ఈజీలీ రిమెంబర్ పాయింట్స్. సో ఈబిఎస్ అనేది వాల్యూమ్ అనేది ఒక ఇన్స్టెన్స్కి అటాచ్ చేస్తాం, సేమ్ అవైలబిలిటీ జోన్లో ఉండాలి. బట్ ఈఎఫ్ఎస్ అనేది ఏ రీజియన్లో ఉన్నా, ఏ అవైలబిలిటీ జోన్లో ఉన్నా వీ కెన్ అటాచ్ ఇట్. మల్టిపుల్ అవైలబిలిటీ జోన్స్. దట్ ఈస్ ద పాయింట్. ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ దిస్ వన్. ఓకే. Multiple availability zones, same availability zones. So this limitation and all already everyone know what is the size, how much size and all we can give it. So at least remember one or two points. At least remember one or two points how it will work. Now got it? Hello.
yeah, yes.
This is very,
Yes.
very important. Just note it. Whatever you understand, note somewhere. And interview purpose, most of the people they are asking. If you mention in your resume EFS and EBS means first question they are asking what is difference between EBS and EFS. That is the first question they are asking. Okay. Now you know some basic points, right? How it will work. Okay. So